Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Let's explore the process of rewriting code in Python using the Kivy framework and how it can sometimes go wrong. Here's a tutorial with a code example that demonstrates some common issues. Rewriting code in Python with the Kivy framework can be a rewarding process to improve the structure, readability, and functionality of your applications. However, during the rewriting process, there are common pitfalls that developers might encounter. In this tutorial, we'll explore some of these issues through an example. Suppose you have an existing Python application using Kivy for a basic drawing canvas. You decide to rewrite the code to enhance its features, but you encounter problems during the process. Identify common mistakes that occur during the rewriting process with Kivy and understand how to troubleshoot them effectively. Before we begin, make sure you have Python and Kivy installed. You can install Kivy using pip. Let's consider a simplified version of a drawing application using Kivy that allows users to draw on a canvas using their mouse/touchpad. The initial version might have the following code structure. Issue: forgetting to inherit the widget classes properly can lead to unexpected behavior. Solution: ensure the new classes inherit from the appropriate Kivy classes. For instance, the app class should inherit from Kivy.app, and custom widgets should inherit from Kivy.ux.widget.widget. Issue: incorrectly binding touch events or missing event bindings can result in non-responsive or erratic behavior. Solution: verify that the touch events, on_touch_down, on_touch_move, etc., are correctly bound to the widget methods and ensure their functionality is retained during the rewriting process. Issue: altering variable names or structures without updating related references can cause errors or unexpected outcomes. Solution: when modifying variable names or data structures, ensure all references to these elements are updated accordingly throughout the code base. In this incorrect rewrite, the method names have been changed, on_touch_down-mouse_down, on_touch_move-mouse_move, which breaks the default Kivy event binding. Rewriting code in Python with Kivy can be a beneficial process for improving application structure and functionality. However, it's crucial to be aware of common mistakes that can occur during the rewriting process. Always test your changes incrementally and ensure that the core functionalities remain intact after modifications. By understanding these common issues and their solutions, you can effectively troubleshoot problems that arise while rewriting code using the Kivy framework. Remember, testing and incremental modifications are key to a successful rewrite. ChatGPT. Title: Debugging and Fixing Common Issues in Kivy Code, a Python Rewriting Tutorial Gone Wrong. Introduction. Kivy is a popular Python framework for developing multi-touch applications. While it offers a rich set of features, rewriting code with Kivy can sometimes lead to unexpected issues. In this tutorial, we will explore common mistakes made during code rewriting and demonstrate how to debug and fix them. Disclaimer: the examples provided are intentionally flawed for educational purposes. Real-world applications should adhere to best practices. Let's start with a simple Kivy application that displays a button. However, we have introduced a mistake in the code to demonstrate the debugging process. When you run the code, you may encounter an unexpected behavior, such as the application crashing or the button not responding to clicks. This is where the debugging process begins. Let's inspect the on_button_press method. Notice that it lacks the required instance parameter, which is essential for event callback functions in Kivy. To fix the issue, update the on_button_press method to include the instance parameter. After fixing the code, run the application again. The button should now respond to clicks, and the button pressed, message should be printed to the console. Rewriting code with Kivy requires careful attention to detail, especially when handling event callbacks. Debugging is an essential skill for every developer, and identifying and fixing issues promptly will lead to more robust and functional applications. By following this tutorial, you've learned how to identify and rectify a common mistake in Kivy code rewriting. Remember to always test your code thoroughly and consult the Kivy documentation for best practices. ChatGPT